Go.
Take your water supply hose with it connected to your water source and connect it to the incoming water connection on the dispenser. With Phillips head screwdriver, insert into knob, feel for screw, turn counterclockwise to remove knob and access components under cover. With the cover open, you'll install your discharge hose that connects to your foam gun and your two chemical pickup lines that connect to your chemical containers. All right, we've got all of our tubing connected. I've got our discharge outlet hose connected, and I've made sure that it's tightened with a wrench, and I've got our two chemical supply tubes connected. Close the top, take the knob and the screw, and screw it back in clockwise until tight. Take your provided spray gun from DEMA. It's either the blue gun with the ball valve, make sure that the ball valve's in the off position, or it's the black garden hose style spray gun, and connect that to the other end of your discharge tube. When connecting, make sure that it has a washer inside of it and that you use a wrench to tighten securely. All right, now the dispenser is ready to go. If you need to label it, go ahead and apply your labels here, but how the dispenser effectively works is you have an off position, chemical position 1, which is my left pickup tube, chemical position 2, which is my right pickup tube, and then I have a clear water rinse, which draws no chemical, just clear water. To use the gun, we'll go ahead and spray out of it in a moment. We'll have the unit on in one of our chemical positions. We'll turn the ball valve on, open, or on the black spray gun, we'll pull the handle all the way, and then it'll start running from there. When you're done using the unit, make sure that you shut it off or release on the black, and then you turn to the off position here and make sure your water supply is off as well. All right, so in this scenario, the dispenser's on, it's on one of the chemical positions, and I'm ready to use the gun. Again, with the blue gun, the water's on, dispenser's on. All I have to do to activate is turn this ball valve to an open position, and I'm ready to spray foam. So here's what I do. Turn on the pulley, and I get this spray foam out of here. To stop it, off like this, make sure that you turn the chemical to the off position, or rinse if you need to rinse, but ultimately shutting off the water supply to the unit.